Release ego meditation. To begin, get into a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Gently close your eyes and relax your face, your jaw, throat, allow the shoulders to melt, and relax the chest and soften your belly. Settle into your breath, breathing fully into your lower belly, and release. Inhale, breathing into the belly, and release. Another breath. And continue to breathe calmly, fully, deeply. I specifically didn't call this meditation Release Your Ego, because when we identify with something, we get to keep it. So already creating distance with you as a person and this thing, ego, helps you to release it more easily. And now consider a situation or dynamic where ego shows up most often, in traffic, during arguments, or anywhere else. What are some common thoughts you have during that situation? Like maybe you think how much of an idiot the other person is. What are some feelings you experience? Like perhaps righteous indignation because you feel you're right. How does this experience show up in your body? Like maybe your chest hurts or tightens when you experience ego. Ego is a defense mechanism trying to preserve a sense of safety, perhaps safety from ridicule or rejection. So what does ego do for you? What are the benefits of acting or feeling this way? what are the disadvantages of ego? Like, how does ego hurt you or your relationships? And now ask yourself, do I want to keep it? Do I want to keep feeling this way? If you said no, I want to acknowledge your readiness to release what's no longer serving you. And if you said yes, that you want to hold on to ego, offer yourself patience. It can feel uncomfortable to let go of something that we're used to experiencing, or perhaps is actually part of our comfort zone. Simply continue to breathe and see what other value the rest of this meditation can offer you in this moment. Now place one or both hands over your heart, or simply focus on this space. Breathe fully and deeply, again arriving to this moment. Imagine filling your heart with this healing light, whatever color you most resonate with or whichever feels good, or you can simply visualize white. With every inhale, more healing light or energy pours into your heart. And with every exhale, you feel a sense of calm and inner peace. Inhale light. Exhale peace. A few more breaths on your own. Another breath. When we're in a heart-centered space, ego dissolves. We feel a unity with the collective. We feel part of something bigger than just our individual selves. I'm also reminded of the golden rule I learned in elementary school. Treat others as you wish to be treated. We all want kindness and compassion, although sometimes may find it challenging to extend it to others. When we're connected with the heart, joy, love, inner peace, we can't feel ego at the same time. Wherever you focus becomes your default. What you think, how you feel, how you hold or move your body, this becomes habit with enough repetition. We can absolutely use this for our benefit, though, to heal and overcome old wounds and patterns. From this heart-centered space, imagine what your life looks like without ego, as though it's happening right now. And we'll begin with a few questions. How do you feel when you're regularly in this heart-centered space? What are some thoughts that you think when you're feeling this way? What does your body feel like when your heart's open and calm? What are your relationships like? And now, for several breaths, consider how else your life would look or feel without ego, with your heart open and connected. Another breath. And now bring your hands and your attention back to your belly. Take a full inhale, filling the belly, and a full exhale to release. At the end of that exhale, you can slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch and move in a way that feels good. Open your eyes when you're ready, and go about your day or night feeling heart-centered, open, loving, and joyful.